of box info. Today we are going to unbox this OnePlus Nord CE2 5G. So let me just remove this plastic film here. This is the Nord branding. So a black box, nice. It's a very matte finish here. As you can see, OnePlus Nord CE2. This is the 5G variant which I got here. So let me just adjust my ISO here. Yeah, this is OnePlus, and these are some specification here of the product which I got. This is a 8GB variant, 128GB storage. So it has 8GB RAM, 128GB storage, dual SIM with the memory card option. So let me just remove this from the box. So we have one more OnePlus brand logo here. Let me just take down the package here. This is the phone. Let me keep this aside for a moment now. One cable and one charger. Yeah, that's it, nothing else. So this is a 65-watt SUPERVOOC charger. It's a very powerful charger, to be frank. It's a kind of big charger here, and it's a bit heavy also. So this is the classic red cable here of OnePlus, a USB to Type-C. It's a classic OnePlus branding. It's a very hard cable. So, and we do get one case here, I think. Yeah, we do have one case here. And let's see what documentation we got here. So this SIM injector tool. So we do have a membership card here, okay, and these are some stickers, okay. A warranty card, a quick start guide, and all the paperwork here. So this is the case which comes with the box here to just get started with the mobile. So this is the device. I got this in blue color here. Let me just peel the plastic here. So this is a Bahama blue color here. Yeah, the color is pretty good here. So this is not a glass back, it's a plastic glass, but yeah, it's still a glossy finish here. So you will have a lot of fingerprints here. So this is the SIM tray, 2 SIM and a dedicated memory card slot. That's really nice to have in this time here. So this is the camera layout here. We do have 3 cameras, 1 flash, and the OnePlus logo. Let me just peel off this plastic here. So there is a 3.5 mm headphone jack, USB type C, one microphone input here, and a speaker grill. This is a single speaker slot here. So this is the front camera here, with the earpiece on the top of the camera. Let me just boot up the mobile here. So this case has some protective layers here, so you can actually close the charging port and headphone jack here, so that dust cannot enter into the charging port. And it has a little bit of rise on the edge of the screen so that your screen will be protected. So this Bahama blue is really nice color here. I'm liking the texture, but still it is a plastic build, so it will attract a lot of fingerprints here. But the color is very nice here. So this one has a inbuilt fingerprint sensor. Let's see how speed it is. Yeah, it's a quick one. Actually, it's very quick here. So let's see the settings here. Let me just increase the brightness. So this is OnePlus brand, so it has Oxygen OS 12.1 running right now. And the security patch is 12 here. So we do have 128 GB storage and 8 GB RAM. This has a 90Hz refresh rate, so you can choose that one from here. If you want a 60Hz, you can go with that one, or 90Hz is very good for you. If you can use that one. So these are some color settings here. So you can control the settings, all these from here. So let me just play a 4K video here. Kindly watch this in 4K so that you can understand the display quality, which is actually very good here. So this is a full HD AMOLED screen with a Gorilla 5 protection here. So the colors actually picks out very nice here. So the darker areas are very dark here and the contrast is well balanced here. Yeah, the colors are very catchy on this one. So it's a very beautiful display, no doubt in that one. Color of the OLED screen is always good to watch. So let's see the camera. It has AI-infused triple camera setup here, 64 megapixel camera, which has a 119 degree of field of view here. So let's take first this 64 megapixel camera. I'll show you the photos also, so you can compare the clarity and the image quality of this phone here. So let me just take this 64 megapixel here. You can choose the toggle button here. So this is a 64 megapixel camera, main sensor. So let me just go back to the mode here. It has a night mode also if you want to use that one. So let me just turn on this 64 megapixel camera here. So normal zoom, and this is the micro sensor here. So you need to go very close to the subject if you want to take the picture here. So around a 4 centimeter will be more than enough for that one. So the video, let's see what video we have here. We have a 4K at 30 frames here. So let me just show you here. 720p. This is the one more. We have 1080 here. 1080 supports 60 frames per second, and 720 also supports 60 frames and 30 frames per second, but 4K actually supports 30 frames only, so you can't go higher frames on that one. So this is a 4K footage of the main camera here. Kindly do watch it in 4K so that you can understand the clarity of this camera. So let me just show you 1080 at 60 frames here. So let me just select that one. So this is 1080 at 60 frames here. I have not done any color correction on this one, so this is straight out of front of the camera. So the camera is very good here, so no doubt the OnePlus cameras are really powerful here. If you can use the ultra, and stability is also pretty good here. So yeah, but the problem is you can only shoot in 1080 if you want to use the stabilizer, built-in stabilizer here. So it does a pretty good job. It will stabilize your footage and keep the subject in the focus. So we do have this AI option here. What it does is just it enhances the colors of the subject here so that you can get the better image here. So we have all these features here: ultra HD, and so these are some very good photos here. So the clarity of the camera is pretty good, no doubt. That's a neat camera here. So we do have slow motion if you want to use that one, a dedicated micro section here if you want to take your subject very close to the sensor here. Time lapse, if you want to take that one, you can take that. Overall, the camera system is pretty nice here, so you will not be disappointed by the camera here. These are some night vision here. These are some photos which I captured in the night here. So it does pretty good job here capturing the photo at the night also, so you will not face any problem from the camera and the display. If you want to buy this phone, I will leave a link in the description. Do check that out. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Until then, Jai Hind.
And we're live with Chad for his morning glow-up. Oh, low battery alert. Plug that baby in and pick out some sick drip. Oh, don't forget nibbles. Boom! One day's power in 15 minutes. Now strap in for face-melting boredom. This lady's voice could stun a rhinoceros. Can Chad survive? Amazing! Chad's juked the professor and stomping noobs on that big display with an assist from the speedy chipset. There's Chad's flashy bay. Good thing he's prepared, because she loves talking about her classy threads.
¿Qué le pasa por la cabeza a ese hombre? Pero no me digas. Sí, quiero más, dale, dale. Ay, sí, me encanta.
Holy cow! He went full Giga Chad on those shots. And now Chad's battling the evil spectre of loud public transportation. Whoa! Just call him Quick Trigger Chad, and he's on the phone and swiping with blazing speed, stacking likes like a boss. Oh man, he's done a bang-up job.
A little more than beautiful.